Okay, so as a overall, like I will tell you with some example now. So you not from construction background, right?
Yes, I do have background with construction.
Okay, then like what kind of example I
Hmm.
can take? Okay, so I will just take.
Because actually, in in my work now,
Okay,
I'll be using this MS project to do the 52 weeks calendar. That's for our like cleaning
yes.
for different shooting ranges
Okay,
assets.
okay.
That's where I'll be using this one actually.
Okay. Otherwise, like what I will do means like, mm, shall we take one example like 4 years of engineering degree, like that we can consider as a project.
Okay, sure. Sure.
Okay.
Sorry,
Uh,
we're going to do this I'm just looking at the book, the
uh,
consolidated projects.
no, in the book
With
it was not
resource.
available. Otherwise, like
That one. Okay.
just
That's different.
I will just tell you with
Yeah.
WS one
Okay.
like this. I can like the task one, task two, so task three. Okay, this you can name whatever you want in the real situation. WBS two, work breakdown structure two. Again, like you can have a same number, same task or something, whatever it is. So control C, control V, it will be working. Okay, WBS three. Okay, then control V. Only okay. Task two, task three, control C, control V. Okay. Now, like this one we considered. Okay, now like I will put duration. So random duration I will put, but in the real situation, you sit for a meeting and you come to a conclusion.
Mm.
Okay, so then as usual, like we can consider this to auto schedule. Okay, but like now we need to just put everything one inside another. Okay, for example, this I can put under WBS. Okay, this under WBS2, this WBS3. Okay, this is just an example. In the real situation, you can take whatever it is. But as usual, you can go to the project summary task. Okay, then I can uh, save this uh, sample project. Okay, okay, then you can see that it will turn to be the same as per the file name. Okay, that summary task you need to do. So when you are just collapsing, you need to show the things like this. Okay, so work breakdowns alone we can see, and then we can remove the things and you can show everything also. But this is without relationship. And I
Yeah.
told you how to put the relationship, like based on the number you can put. So I want for 3 2 to be the predecessor, and here like a 3 to be the predecessor, and here like I am going for a 4 FS plus 5 days. So which means like there will be delay after this, like 5 day delay, then only it will start. Okay, like this. Then like 6 FS minus 2D, which means like there will be like a little overlap at the end. Okay, like this we can do, and then like I can put like this 7 directly going to the next working day, and here like we need to link from 8. Okay, 8 it can put 8 start to start, so it is just getting start to start. Then 10, then 11, not 1, it is taking 11. Okay, okay, now like so it is like difficult to see the total Gantt chart. Now you can show the entire project. Okay, but here it was not showing the critical task. You can show the critical task. So for this project everything is critical, unless otherwise, like if you are putting the open-ended activities to some milestone kind of thing. I can put a finish project, something like this milestone. Okay, that I can put as auto schedule. So here it was an open end. Okay, so for this like a 13, I can put predecessor for, see this one 8 and then 12. So 8 comma 12. Okay. Now like for this like everything is critical. Okay, this like you can take it separately, finish project. Okay, sometimes like it will show non-critical also. Okay, okay. How it will show non-critical? Like if I am just putting 8 SS, right? 8 SS minus 5D. Okay. So this is like different colors, but always in all these colors, like it will show red color only for critical. So all belongs to critical activity. Okay. Now, like insert column, I can consider total slack, that is total float. Since it is zero, that's why everything is red color, critical, free slack. This we seen how to calculate and all na last time. Remember
But,
this one. So here it was zero. That's why like everywhere it was critical. So you should not delay any of the activities. Okay. But for example, if I am putting here like okay, here I am putting 3SS. Okay, then like here it is open ended. So that one like three, we need to function F2. You can edit like this. Then like it should not be open ended. Now three comma. Okay. Now again like we can see everything seems to be critical alone, critical only. Okay. Or like we can put control is there. Okay. So what if I'm putting here 4fs plus 5 na function f2. So 3 comma. Okay. So you can go to project and you can see the project information. Here it was taking standard calendar, project start date and all you can see. Okay. And here you can see the statistics of the project. So totally 37 duration. We don't have baseline and actuals and all. That's why it was not available and zeros. And we not started anything. Okay. Based on the relationship, how we providing, then based on that, like we will get the critical, non-critical. But I want to show you, like in the previous example, we are getting non-critical also, which means like it will be in blue color by default. Okay. So the here it was 8 SS minus 5 days, right? Okay. Otherwise, like I can put this 6 FS plus 5 days. Now, can you see like I did some changes to the relationship. So because of that, like some activities became non-critical. So we have the flexibility of 8 days. We can delay that, so it will not disturb the whole project. That is called critical, non-critical things. Okay. So you should always concentrate on the critical activity. So in this project, what we have taken only this task to task tree is non-critical, and we can be flexible in that when we are handling that project. You understand, right? Got the point?
yeah, I get it.
Okay, okay. So very simply, I was telling here task one, task two, task three. But in the real situation, you can plan. Okay, what you want. Okay, and then you need to put the topic and also in the deliverables. Okay, like that. So this is how like we can able to like plan the things and schedule the things. Since we are putting auto schedule na, everything is automatically getting scheduled. Okay. So here, if you're changing here, it will get updated automatically. And here I was telling entire project. These things it will be helpful. Okay. And now I can also go for view. Then you can go for a network diagram view. Okay. This is the network diagram view, and here you can able to go for zoom out so that you can see the total project also. Okay. Or zoom in. This is how like network diagram, but this is for the WBS, and this is like a project summary. Okay, and when you keep your mouse on top of it, like it is just zooming automatically and you can see the things. This is task one having task two as a successor. Okay, but we can also customize the things, start, finish, everything we have. Right click and we can go for a layout. Okay, in this layout, like you can able to, this is for the whole layout, okay, not for the boxes. Okay, so automatically position all boxes. We can also manually position. Okay, this doesn't matter. So this no need to put. Here it was showing us a rectilinear thing. Otherwise, like we can also use a straight, but a rectilinear was something looking good. Nah? Straight was not. So from one, like we have branches, it seems to be like looking good. Okay, non-critical like blue color, critical red color. That's why here you can see red color and blue color. So those things, if you want, you can just go for the layout option. But for box styles, you need to click box styles. Okay, for each and everything, like you can able to customize. For example, critical summary, but hmm. So critical inserted project. Okay, this is the shape. Okay, start and everything having critical summary. Yeah, critical summary. This is, but okay, critical, non-critical. Yeah, this is what like it was showing here. Okay, so critical and then non-critical. Okay, in the critical things, like I want to add something more, and you can change the color and shapes here if you want. Okay, here like it's a standard, but we can also go for cost if you want, and we have a default templates. Okay, so summary, that is like standard means like it is showing with resources, but summary in the
Mm.
sense it is with the percentage complete. So you can choose what a WBS, whatever it is. Earned value that we will see later. That also like earned value things it will show. But more templates if you want, like you can create a new template. So if I'm going for a mm, critical template, new critical template or critical template, new critical template. Okay, so here like what we can choose. So whatever you want, you can able to choose. Okay, I can put a task calendar. So task calendar in the sense if you are putting calendar separately. Okay, otherwise like I can put a C, then I can put a critical yes or no. It is showing. Then like I am also going for a percentage complete. Okay, then I am also taking. So duration, we can consider duration. Okay. Then like I am also going for a start and end date. So I can put yes and then go for start. Okay. Then I can also put a end. Finish. Okay. So you can also show actual start, actual finish, actual start, actual finish. But the cell layout, like if you want like a 3x3, na, what I want like if you want 4, click OK. Okay, now like it's possible to select here also actual finish. Okay, like this, like we can customize the cell layouts and all. Okay, and if you don't want the thing, and also I can select resources here. Resources also something good to show. Resource names. Okay. Okay. This is like okay. Then okay, in font everything is a Calibri. Okay, then click OK. Then close. See, this is what the template, new critical template also came. Okay, that like we can able to select it here. Here for the critical, and I can go here to new critical template. So hereafter the critical task and all, like it will show like this. See, whatever we created, it's showing. So like this, we can customize the network diagram also. Since we don't have resources now, that's why the third row it was empty. And we not started na actual. That's why here not available.
And then the blue one, I mean this blue border with no
Ah,
color.
yeah. That one like non-critical. That's we not
Which one?
changing anything. Nah, that's why like
Okay.
control and then scroll. That one like remains the standard one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, because we changed already the critical.
Critical. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I can also show you like box styles. This is for the box style. Okay. This I was telling na for the box style. If you
Yeah.
here only we are discussing about. But okay, we will see non-critical standard and we'll see what we have. You can click standard and we can't able to edit it, but you can see how it was.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, they were putting something so that like they can able to understand. The same we can also put for our things. For example, critical template. Now we can able to
Mm.
edit it.
Mm.
When we go for edit, like I can show here, for example, uh, here it was just selecting only, right? Okay. No, that doesn't that is not possible because like we don't have a okay. So what like if you want to show like something like what we have here, then like we need to split the tables accordingly. Okay, you got the point. So here like only we have something like this. So when I'm going for edit, like what we
Hmm.
can do means like duration here I have, but I can just put that as a text duration. Wait a minute. I put cancel, then again I'm going for edit. Okay, show label in cell. When you go for show label in cell, like it's showing automatically. So no need to create. So here we have that option. So what I can do, I can just select everything. Then I can just put everything, then click OK. Okay, but that is taking only for the first one. Okay, again, like here, percentage complete. So you need to click one by one. Okay, so it is taking, otherwise it is not taking. You got the point, na? So little things
Yeah.
like always like it will be good like for the presentation or the reports. Now you can see like clearly explaining critical, yes, percentage complete something,
Mhm.
duration how much and all. But here it was like congested, right? We will see how. Edit. Merge blank cells with the cells to the left. Don't merge. This is for the thing. 100% of standard size. Okay. 150 if I'm putting. Yeah. There you can also do some changes like that so that like you can clearly see the total things. See, when you're selecting, it is just a highlighting. Now that's why color changing. So this is what now we made by ourselves for our network diagram. Okay. And again, like you can able to see the entire project. See here we have entire project option. Hmm. But entire project like still we can't see because of the customizations. You can hold control and scroll also. That's fine. This is just a network diagram. But if you want to go back to the Gantt chart, you can click the Gantt chart. Okay. Now you understood how to like use different views, Gantt chart and then a network diagram and all. Okay. And we also have calendar view. See in calendar, like automatically the task
Oh,
showing. Okay.
yeah. Hmm.
And here also you have the same option and you can right click here and you will get the same also. So MS Project is very simple program only, but you will get the tools in various means like the same things you can do. See, right click we are doing here, we are doing with specifically having view tab like that. Okay, actually here timeline if you don't want you can remove it. So like that, like details in the sense like it will show something here. So these things like we will discuss later once we see in the and here like you can see the predecessor, successor and all. For example, right click and here resources and predecessor. Na, we can also consider predecessor and successor. So if you want to study or if you want to change something, you can go to the view and you can click the detail and here you can right click and you can choose whatever you want. See now for task 2, task 1 is predecessor, task 3 is successor. If you want to change some leads and lags, you can put here. So this window also always helpful in the real projects. Okay, then you can take it back. And since it's a file-based program, you can always save this. Okay, so that it will be saved. So all these things, tips and tricks, you're okay with now, so that like you can make use of it when you are doing your real projects. Are you with me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It's clear that one.
okay. And here it's automatically showing 3 days and all because we shown entire project. But here we can also go based on the days. See, day one, day two, like 11, 12, like that. We can go based on the days or weeks, so week basis. For a big project, like we can go for month basis also. Okay, and entire project in the sense it will automatically customize based on the space available for the Gantt chart. If I am putting like this also entire project, again like it will be showing also. If I am putting like this also entire project, accordingly it will be showing. See, now it was like 5 days before, now it was 3 days like that. So from the view, you can make use of all these tools. Okay. So you are okay with this now. So till this, like you should be aware of. So for any project, time and cost will be most important now. So time wise, like we completed. So for cost related things, we need to create in the resource sheet. So resource sheet, you can click here and you can start creating the resources. Shall we start doing the resources also, or do you want to practice whatever we seen today?